Wemmbu is by far the biggest unstable SMP creator out there, pulling in insane views and subscribers. But have you ever wondered how he pulls off those numbers? It always comes down to the thumbnails. Your thumbnail determines whether a viewer clicks or scrolls past. A great thumbnail means more views. It's that simple. Today I'm going to teach you exactly how to recreate his style. But first, who am I? I am MXFG, a professional thumbnail designer. I specialize in grabbing attention and mastering composition, and I am here to help creators new and old take their channels to the next level. This is the raw version of the thumbnail, and here is the final result. Now let's take this raw thumbnail and turn it into something that actually stands out. But first, we need some requirements. We need Photoshop and Modern Up. If you don't have Photoshop, you can also try Photopea. This is a fantastic alternative that you can use in this tutorial. Now that everything is set up, let's open Modern Up and get started. Let's create a new fabric mod pack using Minecraft 1.21.11. Once you have created, make sure you install every single mod from this list below. Now that everything is set up, let's get into the game. Now that we are in Minecraft, let's create a super flat, creative and peaceful world. But now let's talk about NPC mod by Solto. This mod allows us to create NPCs that we are using in our thumbnails. This mod includes simple settings and simple layout. Now the way we are creating this army that we are watching right now is quite simple. We need to create an NPC post the way that we want, and then we hit and duplicate circle with these settings. I'll create as NPC and big look at. If we made everything correctly, here is our army. Now let's look about the main scene. Let's build a quick platform and add our main tractor. In my case I will add Wemmbu. Now remember to right click on the armor and the weapons to add the enchant link. Now let's talk about the screenshot. Go to camera and enable NMS and WEM shader pack and then hit run. Also remember to add the fabric shot to get high quality. Let's do the same with the other parts of the thumbnail. Side army and the mountain army. And now it's time to the orbital cannon. Let's go to a flat world with flashback mode and the orbital strike cannon mode. Now let's record ourselves throwing orbital strike cannon. Let's get into the flashback mode and take a screenshot of the orbital strike cannon. Now we got everything in our folder. You can check that there are 3 versions of one screenshot. So go ahead, move every single screenshot into Photoshop to edit it. Alright, let's put everything in our project, and remember my PSD is for free in my Discord server. Feel free to join. Next you will see the time-lapse of the thumbnail creation process. You can follow along step by step or even improve on it using the include PSD file. So just relax and take your time with these kinds of projects. Alright, so here is the final result of our thumbnail. You can also join our Discord server if you need any help with your projects. There you will find feedback of artists and editors. Or if you just want to be part of the community, also is free to join. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. See ya!